Hello everybody, it is me, Chasey Poo. Today I'm doing a review for you, and this review is brought to you by Early to Bed. You can go to earlytobed.com and get any of the products that I've ever reviewed for them at a discount because I have a discount code. So use the link because then I get commission, use the discount because you get a discount, and then Early to Bed gets a sale. And that goes for the same thing for FTM Essentials. I have a discount code for you and I have an affiliate link, and almost all the products that I review are on both sites. So that's great, then that's awesome. So thank you Early to Bed for sponsoring this video. Today I am reviewing a toy from the New York Toy Collective. Now, the New York Toy Collective has brought you some amazing prosthetics in the past, like the Pierre Packer and the Archer, and also things like the Ellis and the Shilo and all of these other, like the Sam STP, a whole bunch of stuff, okay? So today I want to talk about one specific one that I actually talked about last year in my Trans 101 series when I talked about packing for youth, but I've never actually full-on reviewed this product, and I wanted to give it a proper review. So in case people who can't watch that video are able to actually watch this one, and you know this one's gonna get age restricted even though this video is actually made for youth. Hello youth, welcome. I'm sorry if you can't watch this and you had to lie about your age. But here it is. This is the mini Pierre, okay? This is the small Pierre. And I'll go get like the regular size one, like so that you can see what the difference is. So Pierre was my like second best packer, okay? This is Pierre. Hey baby, I got him used. No, I'm kidding. I got him like as a defective packer at the conference the first year I went because there's literally a tiny hole there, which I don't care about. It's on the base. I really don't care. And it's a little more squishy. I think there's something up with the silicone, but I liked it better than their regular one. And this was my packer for such a long time after the Mr. Olympia until I graduated to something else later on. But this is the size that I liked for me. Now, they came out with a smaller one that looks like this. So if I show you the difference, there is a big difference. So this one is made for youth, okay? Or it's made for people who are just smaller or people who would like something to have smaller in their pants, because some people don't like having a bigger bulge, which is fine. They just like to feel like they have something down there. So something like this would be perfect for them. So the regular Pierre, which I have reviewed in the past, and I will put that review in the description below, is $55. And then the small Pierre is $45, okay? So what's really cool about this prosthetic is that I really like that it's made for youth, and it's not a sex thing. I'm so done with people like they're making sex toys for kids. This is not a sex toy. This is literally a prosthetic to help people with dysphoria. And the big issue that I have with this, honestly, is that it's long. Like if there is a youth, they usually don't have a wiener that's this long. So it would be great if it was just a little bit smaller, but they just wanted to model it off of the old one, which is fine. But in terms of it being a small size for people who are smaller or younger, it is a really great packer, and it does really make you feel like there is something there. And if you feel like there is something missing, because not everyone does, but if you do, then you're able to maybe feel a little better with something like this. And I really appreciate New York Toy Collective doing prosthetic for younger people who might need them, especially people. So I can't really give you like 100% the age of when this would be appropriate for somebody, but I feel like if somebody is like 8 years old or 9 or 10 and up and is interested in a packer, maybe looking into something like this, maybe even contacting the company to see like, is this packer right for my child? Because this is, it's $45. Not everyone has access to that money, but maybe contacting them because they are very nice people at the New York Toy Collective company. Very, very nice. And I think that they would totally be down to kind of talk to you about that. But so this is pretty short review, but I just wanted to kind of show you that this exists. So if you're a youth, or if you're a parent of a trans youth out there, or if you're just smaller and you are interested in something like this, now you know it exists and where to get it. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. I don't have much of a big review to say about this because you can also watch like the original review for this, but I'll just give you some points. I really like the back is flat because it kind of lays flat on you, and that makes it more comfortable, and it is very easy to pack in underwear, just basic briefs. Not boxer briefs because it'll fly out, or boxers, but in briefs it just kind of stays in place. There are other packing pouches that you can buy that you can use. The New York Toy Collective actually has a packing pouch that I'm going to show you. So the packing pouch that they have here looks like this. And what you would do, it's magnetized, okay? And you would put the prosthetic in here, and then you put this in your pants, in your underwear, and then you flip this over the band of the underwear, and then it stays and it doesn't move and it just stays in place. And I really appreciate that, and I like that they made this. There are other companies that make something similar like this, like the Joey. The Joey has a hole, and they have some that don't have a hole, and that one is a safety pin. So you could also take a look at that. But I mean, it's up to you what you prefer. So I'm just giving you options here. All right, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you again to Early to Bed for sponsoring this video and being awesome and having these. A lot of people ask me where I get my shirts from. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye.